are now live. What? Them say me now live. We'll tell your followers that you are started alive. Okay. Alright, a long time I want to go live. New phone. You don't know. So we're going to test this live thing. You know, so I kind of get bored with this internet thing. Cut off that no what? I kind of get bored with this internet thing. Because I follow Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. YouTube kind of different. So you can type what you want and follow, you know. But most of the thing them are people problem. People problem and what people are go through and be a madness. Can't find nothing that go edify you. Even the affiliate marketing thing when I ever go in and make a money and say, well, you go set up your thing. Them now get the information on for do it. You can research and do it, yes, but if we not go talk and not give information, just give the information so we can just make the money and done and stop go around. Enough look at thing more and talk, but that's why more and go live, you know? When I think now, because like when you go a shop, you need to carry one black plastic bag. Because I can't believe, like the other day, I go up on the road and I buy some banana. And I don't know why I go walk with the banana in my hand. By the time I come in my yard, go up my step and put down the banana and go back down. Me and one man I say, yo, Daya, you can't give me one banana. You can't give me one banana. I say, right, so I can't believe saying I'm my own yard. I have to walk with one black plastic bag. I say, yo, I eat pitney me have enough, so if I buy 1 dozen banana, I may give each of them one that I eat gone, so I have what, 4 left. See? I not ever talk me and my wife, so me and my wife get 1 and 1 more, now that are 10. So I have 2 left. So me forget 1 of my banana. See? I want them to the youth them now. Them I go want, me know say 1 or 2 of them I go want come back and say, yo, daddy no more banana no there. And I say, you know, me give it away. 1 dozen banana, man. I don't believe you must do in there and you have to hide things. You have to put in a black plastic bag. Next thing now, when you go out, go say you go do shopping with some of them people, you know. Say you can't want your family member. Say, yo, we are go downtown and we are go buy some food. See? You buy your yam and your this and your that and your tara what's not. Everybody will buy where them a buy. By the time you come home now, you know what happen? You see through the person, you know why you buy a market. All of a sudden you hear, that you ain't have no scallion up there. Them know say scallion there, you know, because I mean, I go market and I buy scallion. Why you never buy scallion? Daya, you hear me now? You know no more garlic up there. The man near out where you buy it. Everything where you buy, the boss all of a sudden. So you come and say, boy, when you go to market, you have to go by yourself. If you want to keep your have little food, when you do things, you have to know what you do. Because them people, yeah, once them know what you have, they send feed. So you know, go get no liquor. I want them the people to hear me on the live. Because my first look live this is a long look while. I'm going to start doing the live them. Because I have enough things to talk. I may tell you things, them not normal. I may have some serious concern. But you don't know. My life to them, I don't want to get too long because people attention span short them days. Yeah. When I say, when you now go shopping, carry some black bag. I don't know buy. Because you are the people, are the person who walk with you. By the time you go home, you buy your little nice tights or your little nice top. You your friend go downtown, go buy a little thing, and by the time you reach home, you hear say, so, my friend, you know have no black tights. Them know say you have black tights, and you and then go down and go buy the sitting them. Them know, them bury your tights, gone with it. You know, get it back, you know. You hear say, boy, you know the white t-shirt, them swing, they take up the white t-shirt, you know. Them bury it and gone with it. You understand? Me not go too long with the life. Me take them next time. Or you end this thing, you know. Let me see something. Bless up on yourself, people. Love you know. What are you sure that you want to end your life?